Hi, this is Matt again with Product Launch Creator Support, and we're going to go into method number 2 to get Product Launch Creator installed and working on your WordPress blog. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that the method described in the first video did not work for you, which is trying to install PLC inside of WordPress itself. If you didn't try that method, stop this video and watch the first one now, because that method is definitely easier than this one. But if you are here and that did not work for you, then let's go ahead and proceed. So what we're going to do to make this work is you'll be using the File Manager utility in the back end of your hosting account. First and foremost, I should say, if you have any familiarity with FTP, you might want to use your FTP program to upload Product Launch Creator to the proper place in WordPress. However, I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you don't have much experience or much of a comfort level with FTP, and if that's the case, that's okay. That's exactly why we've got this video. Just a little hint to somebody that might be comfortable with FTP, you would probably find it easier to work with that, but you be the judge on that. So what you want to do to get started here is log into the back end of your hosting account, and then you want to find the File Manager utility. So in Bluehost, which is the hosting company that I use, the File Manager is right here, right up at the top. Every hosting company is going to have a File Manager utility of some type somewhere. What the File Manager does is basically allow you to create and edit all the files of your website. So it's a really important feature of any hosting account. So it should, hopefully, fingers crossed, be something easy for you to use, something that they've placed in a prominent and easy to find location. If you can't find it, definitely contact your hosting company's tech support, and they should be able to tell you very simply where to find it. I wish I could tell you where it is, but with all the different number of hosting companies, it'd just be impossible to cover in one short little video. So assuming that you know where that is now, let's go ahead and log into your File Manager. Again, it could be called something slightly different with a different company, but it's the same basic principle and same basic tool. So I'll pop open a new window and log into this eventually. So here we have the File Manager loaded, and the place that you want to go to over on the left-hand side is a tree of all the folders and files on your site, much like Windows Explorer on your PC. So most likely you're going to find you want to begin by searching the public HTML folder. That is the folder, at least on Bluehost, where all of your publicly visible website files are stored. It could be slightly different on a different host. So, but if I go here, I've got a list of all the websites in my hosting account. This is where I've got WordPress installed, and then under New Install, that's my blog installation. So, yeah. So if I double-click on the right side, it'll show me the contents of that folder. So this might look a little scary. There are a lot of files and folders here, but this is a WordPress installation. And the way you can tell is that you should see, if you're in the right place, you should be able to tell that it's your WordPress installation. if you've got these three folders at the top, the WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. So assuming that you are in the right place, you want to browse into the WP content folder. And inside of that, you want to go into the themes folder because Product Launch Creator is a theme, so that's where we need to upload it to. So now we're inside of the themes folder, and I want to upload the PLC zip file. So the way to do that is to find the upload utility of your file manager. That opens for me in a new window. And I just need to select my file. I went right to it. I have it saved on the desktop here, so I select the file, and for me it automatically begins to start uploading. This is going to take a minute or two, so I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so my upload is complete. As you can see here, 100% complete. The zip file's up there, so now if I go back to the file manager and if I refresh the folder view, I can see that my zip file is in there. So that is good. However, I'm going to close this. However, we're not quite done because the Product Launch Creator is still inside the zip file, and WordPress can't work with it as a zip file. The file has to be unzipped. So the way to unzip the zip file inside of this particular file manager is by using this extract tool. And I believe your file manager should have something either called extract or something very similar. You're basically looking for a tool that allows you to unzip a zip file that you've uploaded to your website. Your file manager utility certainly should have something like that. So I'm going to use this. It asks me what path I want to extract to. It's going to default to using the folder that the zip file is found in, which is what I want. So I hit extract, and it works very quickly. And that's it. What you should see, if everything went correctly, is a folder called Product-Launch-Creator. So that is the PLC theme folder, which is exactly what we need. Don't need the zip file anymore, so I'm just going to delete that as a good habit for saving space. And if I now browse back over to the back end of my WordPress installation and go to Appearance, I should see, yes, I should see the Product Launch Creator theme now available for use. So all you have to do is hit Activate, and it will be active, and we can just confirm that by bringing up the home page, and there it is. That's what we should see. So that's it. You've hopefully got Product Launch Creator installed and working for you now. If you're still having problems, if you ran into problems using this method as well, go ahead and take a look at the third video, or the video right after this. We do have one other solution that we can offer to as far as helping you get up and running with PLC. So otherwise, if everything worked out well, then that's great, and you're ready to get started using the theme. Okay, thanks a lot.